Hello Sagittarius, this is your weekly love reading from 23rd to 29th of August 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Sagittarius, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable, so take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. If you want to book a personal reading with me, please email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading then. Ace of Wands, the Lovers, oh it's getting hot, Five of Swords, Page of Wands and Temperance. It's your card. So bottom of the deck is Ten of Pentacles. So first of all I will tell you about signs present here. Signs are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and we have Gemini and we have Sagittarius as well. Okay, so let's start your reading. Here we don't have any water sign, however, but it can be any sign because we are just read about the energies. Okay, we don't have to do much about signs. Okay, so let's start. So we have Ten of Pentacles. So right now you are feeling very good basically as far as concern of your love life, because you are seeing a full picture with this person now. Okay, you are seeing that this person is the person you want in your life. Okay, so you want everything with this person and this person also reciprocate the same thing. Okay, so this person also wants to get to marry you and want to get stable with you. They want to get settled with you. So this person wants to offer you something, or you might offer this to this person. Okay, so it's like a whole picture, whole situation, and you want to grow with this person to the Ten of Pentacles. That is you want to build an empire with this person. Okay, so this is the energy. So just below we have the Devil card. So I don't sense any negativity here, but it may be a third party situation, not romantically involved third party, maybe something which bounds them. Okay, something is maybe their family is not ready that to marry you or something. So something is like that. Okay, so Devil is here, that means some bondages from their side is there, but I can see that it is like a better side also here, because here this person actually is very physically attracted towards you. They are very much into you. Okay, so this person feels you. Okay, just below here we have Three of Wands. So you are very much hopeful with this person. Okay, you are thinking that this relationship should go for a long term commitment and situation. So you are very much hopeful and you are actually waiting things to work out, and so that it will be a very stable situation with this person, and you are manifesting that from the universe. You are asking that universe that please give me this person and to get settled with, and you are just asking these things to universe, and now universe is giving it to you. Okay, so let's see one by one each card. So first card is Ace of Wands here. So first card always tells about the strongest part of the energy. Okay, so here we have Ace of Wands. That means this person wants to start something new. Okay, so it may be the passion between you two. Basically, it let them start, it push them start a new relationship. Okay, so basically I guess it this relationship has been started when you were very much physically attracted towards you, or maybe it started with the physical intimacy only. Okay, so now this spark has been blown up, and now you are thinking to start something that can be very stable afterward. So it started with a spark, and now you want to get settled, basically, because you are feeling so much into it. Basically, you are in this energy, that is a soulmate energy, twin flame energy, or the lovers card, basically. So you are actually feeling this connection with so much strong foundations, and so much of attractions toward each other. Okay, so I can see that your relationship is very strong, and even whenever you think that I will be separate from this person, you cannot, even if you want it. Okay, so this lovers is here, that means you have to make a choice now. Okay, you have to make a choice, and this is actually bothering you much. Okay, because you can see the negative energy that I told you about this devil card. So I can see that you can sense that negative energy from their side, not from them, actually from their side. So basically you have to make a choice now. Either you have to choose this person and accept whatever they are offering, okay, negative, positive, whatever, or you just have to move on from this person. But you don't want to move on from this person, actually. So we have five of swords. So this is making you crazy, basically. This is making you in the head about this. Okay, so you are thinking about this so much, and you are basically getting headache over it. Okay, so this person is, you want it actually, and this person also want it, but actually some things are actually hurt, has been a hurdle. Okay, so I can see that you are very in a egoistic game or something, maybe from their family situation or family person who is very egoistic, and you are getting battle with them, due to which maybe more of a more specific message for somebody, but this is the truth. Okay, here, page of wands. So there are communications, you cannot stop that I already told you. If you, even if you want to separate yourself out from this person, you cannot. Okay, you cannot. So back and forth communication will happen, and the energy transfer between you two will be happening actually in all over the week. Even I can see that it all over the month. Okay, so back and forth communication will be there, and you two will have a good communication between you two, flirty communication between you two, and you will be feeling very happy about it. And also you will get very balanced. It's your card, that is temperance card. So you will be getting balanced with this person, you will be peaceful with this person, you will be healing with this person as well. Okay, so I can see that you two are coming into the same energy, same page now, and this relationship has a future, but we will see the outcome. Please give me an outcome card for Sagittarius, please. Oh, wow. And bottom of the deck is Nine of Wands. So as I told you that you are in a battle with somebody, so I can see that this battle is with the person, not this person, basically the person who is controlling them, basically. Okay, so right now you are in hurt mode, basically you are hurt with their behavior before, and that's in your mind actually. So now I can see the tower here. So maybe this person will take charge, and you were not expecting that. Okay, this person will take charge and they will fight for you, and it will happen unexpectedly and suddenly. Okay, so you might not expecting that, and this person will take charge, and they will do something that you cannot expect. Okay, so let me pull out Queen of Moon oracle for you. Wisdom and abundance. So anyway, if you are choosing something, whatever you will choose, universe is saying abundance in just on your gateway. Okay, just open the door and abundance is here. Okay, so universe is giving you a message that abundance is coming on your way. And wisdom, to follow what you know already. Okay, you know that what is going to happen, and you already know all those things. You got already the wisdom. So universe is saying trust your instinct, trust your belief, trust your knowledge. Okay, universe is saying like that. Okay, so this was your reading, Sagittarius. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can book through email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.